what men, every man out there should learn from Chris Rock, which is very important, and every man needs to adopt this if you want to make a peaceful home, if you want to be a man of every woman's dream. You must learn one character from Chris Rock, which is very important. Before I am going to share this good character from Chris Rock, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep them. So if you care about men and you want to know much about men, you are on the right channel. Hit the like button and subscribe to be a member of this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So let's proceed. What should men learn from Chris Rock? I hope all of you have heard what transpired between Chris Rock and Will Smith few days ago. But Chris Rock expresses one notable character which makes him unique. And this character is what I want to share with you men out there to adopt this character if you want a peaceful home. What is that character that Chris Rock expresses? This character is unique and it is very important for anyone out there who want the best in life and who want to live long. That character is nothing but tolerance. Tolerance is the key to every man's success. Tolerance is the key to every man's health. And tolerance is the key to anyone who wants to live long. Because when you see some challenges, obstacles, and some confrontations, some men will react, but some men will tolerate and comport themselves. That is exactly what Chris Rock did that makes him a unique man. He tolerates the slap from Will Smith. He did not react. He did not retaliate. He did not revenge immediately. He just tolerates it. That makes him a unique man worldwide. And that is what I want every man out there to learn. I want every man out there to learn to tolerate. If you can tolerate, you will live long. If you can tolerate, you can mingle or associate with any human being. If you can tolerate your family members and your wife or any woman around you. And once you can tolerate, you will have a peaceful mind and a peaceful home. So this is what I want to share with you. I hope you like this advice and this video. Tolerance is the key to success. Tolerance is the key to every man's health and long life. So make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Like this video and share this video. Comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.